This is going to be the unboxing for the Dolphin Active 10 above ground pool robotic pool cleaner. Here's the specs. Saves energy, 24-month limited warranty, has all this. Here's the cleaner. Here's the other side. So here's all the paperwork for it. All this, the instructions, all that, more all this. And here's and that's the other filter. Down here, it's the power supply, and right here is the cleaner itself. Now, this is the power supply itself. You press the button, it turns on. This opens up like this, and closes. Here's the cleaner itself. Has the 40 to 30 foot long cable. And here's the cleaner itself. So here's the Dolphin itself. Right here has that scrubbing brushes on the bottom, and this opens up so it access to the filter. Then this will close. Then you close it. You don't have to worry about putting this down and close it because there's a little lip right here, and you pretty much, to empty this thing right here, you just go like that. That's to empty it, and that closes it like that. Then you put it all in here. You close it like this. This one's ideal for above ground pools. Has like the rubber tracks, the scrubbing brushes on the bottom. It's not as heavy, and you immediately will plug this into the power supply right here, and it does come with one filter, so it does not come with the other filter. So the Active 10 will only come with this filter here. That's it. It does not come with the other one. So it's mainly to pick up, and it has a larger debris area. All this goes right here. This closes down, and you don't have to worry about doing this. And I believe the debris gets sucked in towards the bottom. I'll show you towards the bottom of the machine itself. Has like the rubber little things underneath. That's the opening. So this here spins. It's all rubber. Here, that's the tracks here that spin. And I mean, it's not a real heavy machine at all. So yeah, that's it for the unboxing for the Dolphin Active 10 above ground pool robotic pool cleaner.